SmartThings lets you easily control, monitor, and secure your home from anywhere in the world. The heart of your smart home, the Samsung SmartThings Hub will connect all of your different smart locks, lights, outlets, thermostats, and more and let you control them from the free SmartThings app. Receive notifications about what's happening in and around your home and use your smartphone to remotely control your home security, energy usage, lighting, and more. Since SmartThings is compatible with a wide variety of smart devices from different companies, once you have the SmartThings Hub and the free app for iOS, Android, or Windows, you can add as many additional SmartThings sensors or other popular Z-Wave, ZigBee, or Internet-connected products as you want to enhance your connected home. The Samsung SmartThings Hub works in the US and Canada. Power adapter. In-wall AC, 100 to 240 volts. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Amazon Alexa. Use the SmartThings app or Amazon Alexa to control your smart home. Teach your house new tricks by telling it what to do when you're asleep, awake, away, and back home. Number 2. Connected lights and switches. Set connected lights and switches from Philips Hue, Cree, Sylvania, LIFX, Leviton, and GE to turn on and off when you open doors, change brightness at the right moment, and more. Number 3. Connected cameras and doorbells. Set connected cameras and doorbells from Arlo, Samsung, Ring, and Skybell to send you video notifications, turn on connected lights when there's a visitor, and much more. Number 4. Connected door locks. Set connected door locks from Yale, Schlage, and Kwikset to open when you arrive home, lock when you leave the house, and much more. Number 5. Connected thermostats. Set connected thermostats from Ecobee and Honeywell to turn on when you open the front door, turn off when you leave home, and much more. Number 6. Includes a SmartThings Hub to connect wirelessly with a wide range of smart devices and make them work together. Number 7. Includes 2 SmartThings multi-purpose sensors to receive alerts if windows open unexpectedly, set connected lights to turn on and off as you open doors, and much more. Number 8. Includes a SmartThings motion sensor to receive alerts if there's unexpected movement, set connected devices to turn on and off as people come and go, and much more. Number 9. Includes a SmartThings outlet to control lights, electronics, and small appliances from anywhere. Number 10. Your smart home needs a brain, so get started with a SmartThings Hub. It connects wirelessly with a wide range of smart devices and makes them work together, material, plastic, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it comes with the Samsung Hub 1 or 2 Gen? Answer: 2nd Gen. Question number 2. Could I use a Bluetooth USB to link this unit to Bluetooth speakers to make announcements, such as back door open or motion detected? Answer: no, that won't work. The easiest option is to buy a Wi-Fi speaker. Question number 3. Is this a V2 hub? Answer: great question. The SmartThings Home Monitoring Kit includes a V2 hub. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.